Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the display and brightness option. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the auto screen off. Let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of options to choose from, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 30 seconds option applied. This option is marked, as you can see, and all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again because it is notified right here, and it means that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.